Round 11. Oh, shit. No, not like this. My public can't see me like this. Especially the children. Because, you know, it's for the children. Para los niños. Come on, can I go for 12? Apparently not. I'm good now. Are you filming? Oh my god! No! Stop filming and delete that right now. No, I can't believe you. No! No! My public. Alright. Now you see, I just had a really huge, like. You filmed my snotty hand, didn't you? Oh, okay. Good. I just had a really bad sneezing fit. I think I sneezed, what, 11 times in a row. My nose hurts. My chest hurts now. It was painful. And I think I've just peed myself. Holy shit, man. I need a cigarette after that. Give me yours.
I don't have any left.
You son of a bitch.
That's why I said we needed to go for a cigarette run.
We can. Elizabeth is coming.
Maybe after Elizabeth comes.
I can't believe we almost missed that one. That's funny. Holy shit. Oh.
I want to see how long this records.
So what are we going to do? Just sit here and...
Yeah.
Well... Oh! Oh!
Oh! Should go bouncy bouncy.
I don't want to bouncy bouncy.
Why not?
Let's go swim swim.
No.
You are going to delete this one, right?
No.
Do you have music? Hi. Alright, turn it off so I can see it.
I'm seeing how long it goes.
How long will it go?
I don't know.
Film around. Film around there. That's Boob's house. Boob Dobry. That's my... Oh, that's my pool. That's my house. That's my table. That's my trampoline. That's me. St. Billy. That's my... shirt? I don't know. What are you doing? How you not can even see me? Oh, I guess they can probably see me. Did we just zoom in on my... Oh my god, that's open! That is open, too. You zoomed in on my crotch and my fly was open. I need a new bathing suit.
Yeah, that thing's old.
Ew. This can't go on YouTube.
This is for our personal collection.
The first one. Wait, I wasn't even done watching the first one.
I've seen it before.
I don't care. I want to see it again. Do you like my burqa?
It's beautiful.
Wait. This is my burqa. Ew! So I just got a text message. Let's see who it is. From Jen. Oh, it's from Jen. Oh, that could have been bad. So, I'm officially out of cigarettes.
How dare you hit my camera?
How dare you film me when I'm just not ready? Grr. No, we should save some for Liz.
Plenty of room for Liz.
For filming?
Mhm.
Come on, just
I
turn
have
it
a
off.
4
Just
gig
turn it
memory
off.
card. Ow! Billy, that
Turn it
hurt.
off. Turn it off.